Hello guys, so this is my work, Garmin 530. I didn't finish the designation here, the sign, because I'm planning to have it illuminated like this, LED light. Also, like you see, I'm trying to make these buttons bigger, so still confusing in the designs. And what else? So everything is good. So lights, the audio panel, GMA 340. So first time I work with this, I design, this is a laser machine engraver, and then I designed the board. So basically the board is my design, this board. Okay, I also designed this. Here for the SIMVIM, then the HDMI. So soon I'm gonna have that covered. So I combined two devices in one. So next time I'm planning to do the Garmin 430, the expounder, all of them. I'm successfully tested everything and everything is working, so it's just need to little bit something like this, see, like here, I just left it up, but it's look good. Personally, it's look good. So the audio panel, I'm just having this issue with this aircraft don't support the 2D because it's a default. I can do it, but it will be look ugly.